Hey guys, my name is James Watson. I am owner of Omaha Homes for Cash. We are a cash home buying company in Omaha that was sitting at the bottom of page 1, top of page 2. Pretty consistently, we were getting some deals, but it wasn't anything, at least we thought, anything crazy. So we took on Gerald's program about 2 months ago. We have completed the credibility portion and we're onto the SEO program. And I just want to drop by and just say thanks and kind of update you on how we're doing. So when we started, we were bottom of page 1, top of page 2. And we have now since taken over 1 through 3 pretty consistently. We're in the top 3 for all major keywords in our market. So the rise has been awesome. It's been fun to watch. And the knowledge that they've taught us, the guidance, the step-by-step instruction, the program layout, it has all been just incredible. So can't say enough of great things about those guys. Gerald's been awesome to work with, jumps on weekly calls with me. Michael Mayo, Colton, Liam, Reed, really can't say enough. Literally anytime you need somebody, they're there. They reach out, see how you're doing, check in with you, schedule weekly calls, daily calls if you need them, and those dudes are super smart, so good people to have in your corner. But anyways, if you want to check out the site, kind of see what I'm talking about, it's www.omahahomesforcash.com, and really just wanted to drop by and say thanks. And I can't thank you guys enough. You guys have honestly changed our life. So we've got 4 deals under contract right now, including this one. We're in the middle of a messy kitchen, so I apologize, but this will be ready for market in about a week and a half. But yeah, we're staying busy. It's fun, and yeah, looking forward to continue the rise. So thanks, man. Thanks, guys, and take care.